Today, I'll be showing you all how to install the Ring wired doorbell. If your home has a Ring wired doorbell, it's powered by a transformer like this. Transformers are often tucked near the chime, in the attic, closet, or electrical box. If yours doesn't match or you can't find it, use a Ring plug-in adapter or connect your Ring to an Amazon Echo for chime alert. Before you do anything, turn off the breaker to your doorbell. If you're not certain which breaker it is, contact an electrician for help. Here's the tools you'll need for the job. If you're drilling through concrete, brick, or stucco, you'll need a 1/4-inch drill bit. You'll need an electrical tester for voltage. You may need some wire strippers and a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull out the jumper cable, and with the flathead screwdriver, so leave the existing wires in place and connect the jumper cable to trans in front. Once you've done that, simply close it back. Now you're going to want to uninstall your doorbell button. In my case, I'm removing my Skybell because I'm upgrading. Okay, we're going to get to the 2 wires here. All right, I'm going to remove this. Make sure they don't go back into the little hole. Make them point straight out. And we're going to remove these screws here. So this is how it's going to look. I already have 2 pre-existing holes here. If they match up with mine, I can use them, or I can at least use one, and then the other one I'll have to just drill in the second one if they're spaced further apart. Next, you're going to put your finger right here and pry this up. Take off this cover first. And then what you're going to do is see where your holes are. Okay, so in my case, I'm going to use the bottom hole, and then I'm going to drill a hole on top. Just so that I won't have 10 unnecessary holes, I'm using the pre-existing hole here on the bottom. And then what I'm going to do is take a pencil and a level. Just so that I can start my starter hole, I have this punch here. That way my drill bit's not going to go all over the place. Your holes are aligned. Make sure the bubble's in the middle. I have a 1/4-inch masonry bit, and I'll have all the links to the tools I'm using in the description below. I have a level on top of my drill just so I can make sure I'm going in straight. You're going to take the provided thing here and just push it in, just like that. Next, you're going to want to loosen these so that you can put these 2 wires on there. So just tighten these on. Alright, next you're going to pop on the cover, and then you have these two star pattern screws that come in here with the provided tool, and that locks your unit into place, just like that. Okay? Boom. Remember, if you don't have masonry here or concrete, you don't have to do the masonry bit. All you do is just screw it into your wood. And when you're securing this, don't use any other tool other than the one provided in there to lock it in place. Okay? Once you've done that, go to your Ring app through the setup process. I want to thank you all for watching. If this video helped you out, please thumbs up and subscribe. Got many more how-to videos that'll save you time and money. Peace out.